Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about ProWorkflow, which is very nice project management software that you can use in everyday's life. So we are going to talk about what it actually is, what you can use it for, and also what it's cost, and we'll do a little sneak peek into workflow or ProWorkflow. So what is it? ProWorkflow is an easy to use project management software for teams to spend less time managing the project and more time in delivering the results. The tool makes it super easy for teams to assign tasks to the staff, measure the time that tasks are taking, or reschedule projects that have gone out of scope. They can also send quotations and invoices right through the tool. Users receive a dashboard which gives them an overview of the workload and priorities. They can review project timelines and reschedule project at the click of a button. And with the mobile tracker, they can easily track time for each task, complete them, and communicate with team members while on the move. Staff clients and contractors can also be brought on a single platform for easy collaboration. The timesheet then makes it easy to track every project and task. Additionally, the powerful API can be leveraged to extend the capabilities and integration with other tools. It's located in the New Zealand, Auckland, and it's made mainly for the businesses. They are providing very nice 24/7 live support and also online help, as you can see. They are trying to reach to me straight away. You can run them on your web browser and also on your mobile phone, that being Android or iOS. They are providing very nice free trial and also subscription paid programs. So let's check them out. The monthly plan for professional use, it's 20 euros. Annual pricing, it's 18. So you see there's a very easy or very nice discount of, I believe it's 10%. Yeah, 10%. And with advanced, it's 27 euros per month. And we will go and check all the options that we are getting at the moment. And you see the features with professional and advanced, also file space, users, and I mean, it's not that much of a jump from 20 euros for one user, or one and more, 1+, and advanced with 5+. So it's not a big of a jump, and I see it's quite reasonable setup. So let's check it in. Let's click on free trial, my company name, and my industry. Let's go with education. Next, first name, Matt King, phone number, and email address. At the moment, as I saw, you can't really use Gmail, or you can't really use a direct sign up with Gmail, so you have to jump in. As you can see, at the moment we are running with some already pre-made companies or pre-made company. All of those numbers are for us to teach how it all works. So we have on the top corner of our screen, we have projects, we have tasks, time, contacts, notes, quotes, invoices, reports, and top right corner, we see our own settings of our account. So let's go to projects. We can add more projects or more categories, and I don't really I don't really need this one, but let's start a new project. This is going to be quick sneak peek, and then I'll create more videos about each and every feature of ProWorkflow. So let's go with title. Let's go with test number. Let's make it automatically, so it's probably be next to those all pre-created. Category, let's stay in administration task. Manager, it's going to be me. Priority is going to be me. Due date till tomorrow. Allocated 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. And quote total, invoice total. Okay. Description and client is going to be sample client. But you can easily straight away create a new one. Test sub. And done. You don't have to do more, so we are going to test sub and finish now. Straight away, here we are. Number is 1001 because the first one was 1000 flat. And here we are. Quoted, budget, invoiced, and burned. We can edit it anytime with description and also assignees. Quote total. Let's go with 6,000. Invoice total 6,000. Finish now. So we all changed our stuff in here. We have the description that we can add tasks. We can add the task. Close the deal. And you can check all the assignees, time that we have, and also we have the timeline where everyone involved in this task can contribute to. We can create a folder for this particular task and also check it as complete. And it's completed. You see, it should be archive board. We have some property renovation. You can check the tasks that we have here, time, contacts. At the moment, with companies, I only created the test sub, which we can edit anytime we want. And with filters, I believe there should be all shown. If you want to sign it up or sign up today easily, you can go like this. Minimum it's 20 euros per one user, but if there's 2 of you, it's plus 20. So that's the pro or also the advanced, where you are starting at 150 for 5 members, and every single one is plus $30, and then you will get annual discount for exactly 1,944 euros. So now yeah, we are here. So now we have also the completion of the project in our notifications, and also the new project. We can flag it or mark it unread, and so on and so on. It's a little bit harder to learn and not so intuitive as other CRMs or other project management softwares, but I strongly recommend trying it. If you have more questions about it, about ProWorkflow, please let me know. I'm going to invest more time into it and creating a couple of smaller or shorter videos for you to enjoy. So stay tuned, and yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you feel like, and yeah, see you in the next one. Have a great day.